Hey guys, here's another Christmas bonus video for you. This is Ethan's Fire Through 5-alarm monster truck set from Hot Wheels. This is another one he got for Christmas, and as I mentioned a couple weeks ago, we were going to do some monster truck stuff. Well, this is why. So this is a pretty cool set. This is one of his favorite monster trucks because he's really into fire trucks and such. So 5-alarm is one of his favorites. He has the 124th version of this in the States, but he didn't have the 164th, so now he has the 164th and such, and it is a pretty cool set. It has the ramps that have some like flames that you jump through, and it has the launcher that is similar to the launcher on the one crash set that we have that we unboxed for you guys a few months back. So we're going to go ahead and open this up and take a look at it, and let me see how this comes apart. It's just kind of glued. Yep. Knocked over the camera. So it's not taped. It's glued down. So I'm going to get this opened up for you. So you think this is cool, Ethan?
No.
Yeah. Yeah, I forgot to mention Ethan's here with me too, doing this. So, this is the launcher. And what's cool, you can hook the orange track to this and make it longer. And the monster trucks actually work great with the two pieces of orange track. One tire on each track. Works out perfectly. And here is the ramp, I'm guessing, that goes right on into the launcher. So it would snap in like so. Then here's some flames for the other obstacles there are, and then this is the thing that it breaks through, which is kind of cool. And then there's some other little contraption that's like a bracket that holds the little flame that I showed you a moment ago. Here's another one, and there's another one of these flames here, and then they give you an instruction manual, but as you can see, putting that together, but you can pretty much figure it out on your own by looking at the box picture. So once again, it just slides in and snaps, and you could make it a little bigger with the orange track if you wanted to, and then it goes in, snaps like so, and then the flames just kind of slip in there like so, and they kind of just flip around like that. That's cool, huh, Ethan?
No.
Yeah, and then this would go at the end, and then if you do want to add some more track, you could. So then there's those that you kind of hit, and that would twirl, and then the breakthrough, and then your ramp and launcher. So that's the track there. Try to straighten that out, and then we got to get the 5-alarm truck out for you guys. Okay, we'll turn the air conditioner off. It's kind of strange. I'm used to always having the air conditioner on here, but in the States, you guys probably don't have that right now, at least on the East Coast. Now on the West Coast, it may be a little different, or in the South, it may be different. So then here's your 5-alarm, which this is pretty cool. This is the more traditional color scheme too. The red, white ladder, chrome trim, chrome wheels. So pretty, sweet looking. I don't even think our 1/24th is the traditional colors. I think ours is black, I believe. Or maybe it has flames on it, something like that. But it's not the traditional one. But so this is how it goes. It goes on the track like that. And then you just hit that and it launches it. Go ahead and smack that really hard. Alright, so that's how it goes. Ethan just smacked it for you. And we'll go like this so you can see it in the other angle. And yeah, so he jumps over and hits the tips of the flames and jumps through the wall of flames. And as I said, you can kind of stretch it out if you wanted to with orange track and such. It's kind of how our Crash Through set was. We put orange track on it because it's a little better to give it a little running start to hit the objects and such. So guys, that is your fire through set with 5 alarm. So we're going to do another monster dirt kit for you here today too, and then we'll launch that video today also. So kind of as a couple of bonus videos on top of our regular videos that we're doing with my stuff. So thanks for watching, guys, and once again, Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Say bye.